Welcome to today's video, guys. We're starting off at, of course, Yoshio factory, and today is going to be a huge day. I am currently here because we have, what do we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wheels and tires to change out and get everything ready for the drift competition tomorrow. And then we're heading home, picking up May, taking the S15 all the way to Nikko to a really nice hotel. You guys are gonna love it. It's like full Japanese style. It's gonna be sick. But for now, let's just enjoy the pink line up here. I honestly wish I could have taken my S15, but the Skyline fits more tires on the back seat, so we had to take that, because then we could just have 4 pink cars in a row. Oh man, I need to get a JZX100 and make it pink or something, because I feel like that's like my next kind of practice car. All right, there's some really nice cars that they're working on right now. Super clean black S15, that really nice S13 they have up there with the 326 power wing. Looks so good. Man, if I ever get an S chassis and it's gonna be a sedan like that, not the hatchback 180, that is definitely the wing I'm getting. Anyways, let's get into it. So these are the fronts from my S15, and you can see the toe and camber wear here. We haven't gone down all the way just yet, but what we're gonna do is flip these and put these on the front of the Skyline. These will be the new fronts for the Skyline, and we got some freshies for this for the comp, so that I've got maximum contact patch on this side. Also, I did find a little screw kind of pushed in here, but as I pulled it out, no air leaking, and it didn't penetrate deep enough to cause a leak. So I think I got away with that really lucky. I'm gonna check the inside of it, obviously, when we take the tires off, and just make sure, and I might put a patch over it just to be safe if there's any damage there. Got everything all finished and packed back up here. We got these ones on the front. A lot more meat on these guys than the previous ones on the outer surface. These are fine for drift cars, because obviously, like with an S15, you have so much toe and camber that your contact patches here. I'm actually just giving these to Okachan to put on the lesson car, so that he doesn't have to spend any money on that for a little bit when people are learning and training in it, and they're fine, honestly, for that. But I'm all packed up, pretty much ready to head home. Seriously, Skyline chassis, especially the R33. I used to do this with my 34. I know you guys will hate me for hearing that, but yeah, you can fit a lot of tires in here. So, pretty happy about that. Time to head home. So back home, and I didn't want to bore you guys. Well, actually, we didn't have much time, so I got everything packed and ready to go. Wifey's all packed in the car too, and we are now ready to cruise up to Nikko. I think, the name of our place is, it's like a super special onsen. What's the name of the place we're staying at?
Nikko.
Whatever that is.
It means deep Nikko. Like
Deep Nikko.
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's where we're going, and that's where we're staying tonight. How good is this cold AC?
Why I picked that? Because you're going to be competing in the Nikko
Dipper?
Oh.
Okay, let's be honest, you didn't really pick it because of that, but that was very smooth. I appreciate that. All right, let's go. Let's begin this mammoth drive. Well, it's not too long of a drive, it's like 2 hours. Drink, my precious. Get this thing filled up. Turns out our drive is actually 3 hours, not 2, so we might be a little bit late. Oh my gosh. The ads here in Japan crack me up at the gas stations. Something tells me we're gonna be a little bit late, babe.
A little bit?
A lot. The one thing about living in Japan is, especially in Tokyo area, is the traffic can be a little bit intense sometimes. So unfortunately, we're gonna get there way too late for everything we had planned. So, oh, there's a little accident here.
Oh, wow.
Okay, I'll let these guys go in front. I mean, it doesn't even look bad. Did they just kiss each other?
No, look.
Oh, yeah, okay, I saw that one now, yeah. All right, well, I guess We can make up some time now, I guess. No, we can't. Back to this. So a little bit of an update. We are still stuck in this ridiculous traffic jam in this tunnel. I think we've been moving at like 5 kilometers an hour for like the last 2 hours. But the issue we're having now is I've had to turn AC off because my temps would just climb. It is so hot outside. If you take down the window, like this tunnel is just, it's boiling hot in here. Even though it's cool outside today and it's kind of overcast, this tunnel has so much heat in it that at idle with the AC on, my car just is crazy hot. So a little bit stressed there, but hopefully we'll be fine. If I just like keep the revs up at like 2000 RPM, it stays cool. Before it crept up to like 100 and 105 and I was like, oh boy. So making sure we're keeping an eye on that. It's crazy how I can hot lap this thing on a hot day and not have any issues, but at the moment I've got the AC pumping and I'm inside this really hot tunnel, it overheats. But it's only because we're not moving and there's no air coming in. Yeah, look at that, once we keep the RPMs up, temp goes down.
Whoa. Thunder.
That's lightning.
Sorry, lightning.
Thunder is the one that makes the sound. Well, babe, happy wedding anniversary. Sorry we didn't make it to our hotel for dinner.
This is forever gonna be our thing.
Every time we try to plan something and
I'm convinced.
we're not meant to have special dinners, I think. Every single time. Every time we've tried to do this, something like this has happened. So we're currently at Hanyu PA at the restaurant inside here. So we're just gonna eat and then try to get to our hotel. Because by the time we get to our hotel, now that we're out of traffic, it's probably gonna be around 10 p.m.-ish. And that means pretty much everything's gonna be closed there. So we have to eat here. Even though, how much did we pay for our meal tonight? Like, and it's non-refundable too, but it's okay. Can't control it, so.
It's fine.
That ice cream looks good.
We need to make sure we don't run over any deer.
Yeah, that's what the hotel called us and said. Be careful when driving at dark to the hotel because there's a lot of deer. Don't hit them. So glad this PA has Starbucks. Look at that, babe. A nice dinner, some coffee. Pretty much that's how I won your heart. Took you to Starbucks. That was our first date. Legit was. Anyways, I would normally go straight to my car, but I spotted some Atasha. This thing's cool. Is it a Legacy or a Liberty? I can never get these things right. They're the same car, just different names. Ooh, that front bar is like a WRX bar or something though, right? That's cool. That's sick. Sakuya. There you go. All right, now let's go. We made our stop at the last convenience store on the way to the hotel. There's like another 20 minutes of driving and we are literally in the sticks. Like we are out in the bush, boys. You know you're definitely away from the city and you're really far in the mountains when the Family Mart logo is brown. Oh boy. It's so sketchy driving here too. Like there's mist and fog everywhere. It's raining.
All the water?
Yeah, you can hear all the water in the background. It just sounds like waterfalls all around you. We are deep in Nikko. Wait, isn't that the name of our hotel? Deep in Nikko?
Yeah.
Did not even plan for that.
It's raining so hard.
Come on, smile more. Roman Atwood would be proud. All right, let's go.
I'm feeling
so sketchy.
I can't even.
You can't see. We are driving somewhere in the mountains of Nikko. We saw 2 deer, which is the first time I've seen deer in my life, actually. I know that's depressing, but it's just true.
Yeah, bye,
Yeah, this is like
next level.
No wonder the hotel kept calling us, worried that like we had crashed or something. Oh my gosh, that's like more than Shichimakuri. Nanamakuri. Look at that.
Yeah, bye then.
Dude, this is like Touge amazing. And this is, by the way, all one direction. It's not 2 laned as in like left and right. This is both all heading up this way.
Wow.
Super cool.
I guess the thrill, this is the anniversary experience.
Yeah. Why does this always happen to us? Last year was the same.
What did we do last year?
Yeah, there's another drift comp.
That's
They
right.
always keep happening on our anniversary.
That's right. And then on my birthday, it's always Tokyo Auto Salon.
At least I won that one. That's true, Tokyo Auto Salon. I won that competition though, so that was good.
No, that was in August.
Was it? I can't remember.
Anyways, this is our life. So, welcome to our life, guys.
I'm looking for more deer. I wish we had the camera out for those ones. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Is this not the perfect Touge course?
Oh my gosh. Hey, remember when you tried to propose to me?
Yeah, let's not talk about that story. Yeah, we got rained down then too. Oh my god.
This is so yabai. Oh,
I'm only going like 30 kilometers an hour too.
this is so scary. Ah, oh well. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
It's running away.
You can't even see it.
Can't see it. There was a deer. Damn it. We are definitely stuck in a Studio Ghibli film right now.
Oh, I was saying initial D, but you...
Yeah, okay, yeah, sure, initial D. Oh, a tunnel.
Well, this is gonna be a very interesting
Normally
vlog.
tunnels mean hitting gate, but not today. Not right now. This is crazy.
Yeah, finally some normal roads, right?
Ish, yeah.
Okay.
This is so cool. It literally looks like we're in a Studio Ghibli film. Oh, look at the big temple gate.
Yeah, yeah,
What
yeah.
are they called? Te? T? What is it?
Eh?
What's the name for that? T, the show. It starts with T.
なんだっけ名前。
No, I can't think of the name now.
違う違う違う。ごめんなさい。I'm not Japanese enough. ごめん、わかんない。
Wow.
鳥。
Tori. I knew it started with T.
鳥だ。
Tori as in bird as well, right?
違う、鳥。
Tori.
うん。
Well, it looks like we survived and didn't hit any deer. We're about to turn into our hotel right now.
Turn right.
Oh boy. That was the most stressful drive I have ever done in the mountains.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Hang on, this driveway is pretty sketch too. Welcome to a traditional Japanese hotel, guys. This is actually huge. Apparently 2 separate futons on a rock hard surface. It's like a little stage. Wait, are these little drawers? Yo, that's actually kind of cool. All right. Now, this is all tatami mat, which is like, this stuff's made from like what bamboo? Oh, hey. Wait, is that a window into the shower? Yeah, it is. That's funny. This has to be the tea set. Yes, traditional Japanese tea set. Maybe I'll get May to dress up in a kimono and make me tea later. We got mochi. At least I think that's mochi. And out here should be the private. Is that unlocked? Yep. Should be the private bath. Yep, there it is. And there's a huge cricket inside it, so maybe not tonight. This is cool. All right. Well, I'm gonna just. Oh, this is actually kind of really comfortable. I do like my mattresses firm. Anyways, we are in this huge place, and we're gonna enjoy tonight. And yeah. And with the lovely thought of me completely naked in the wilderness for an outside bath, I think it's a perfect time to wrap up today's video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our creepy drive to a hotel. Definitely not the usual content I put out, but this is Japan, and this is kind of the, I don't know, I think you understand. We're in a really cool place right now. I'm looking forward to kicking back and relaxing, even though it is a few hours because we have to get up super early, like 5 tomorrow morning. And obviously we got to set up at the track and get everything ready for the comp tomorrow and qualifying for Kanto All Stars. I actually feel really confident and good. The only thing I'm worried about is rain. If it rains tomorrow, I think that's going to be like the first time I've ever driven my S15 in the wet at Nikko, so I'm a little bit sketched out about what the surface is going to feel like and stuff. But it should be okay. If everyone else is going to struggle just as much as I do when it rains, so I should still be able to qualify. But yeah, hopefully dry, lots of grip, we have lots of fun, and we get first place in qualifying. That'd be sick. But anyways, with that guys, smash that like button, write us a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna sit back, relax, and enjoy, and hope you guys have a good day. Peace out. Ciao mata.